keep it evil eye, nothing happened overnight.
You know my whole team paid, we get the bricks and we pattern, you know working it neat. But you can keep it evil eye, nothing happened overnight. You know we have to put in work in these streets. So all my brothers are trapping, just keep jugging. And if you're standing in the kitchen, keep cooking. You know they say no risk, no reward. So all my people that's working, just keep pushing. Over $250,000 jewels, what you think I spent on tours? Took a slight L, but I still didn't lose. You niggas couldn't walk a mile in my shoe, moved a mile in a white, while sitting in a pool.
Bro, I almost crashed into you, bro. Gangster, there they are. Gangster. Gangster, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Gangster, look at that. Look at that. Gangster, yo, that is gangster, mate. Yo, what the fuck? You're cool. Yo, Ace, I've never seen a top. Yo, I've never seen that in my life. That is sexy, yo. Nasty, mate. Nasty. What are you saying, bro? Long time no see, man. You coming up with a C43? Yeah.
Mine ain't sounding like that though, man. Fucking mine's not sounding like that, is it? Going straight through,
bro, still gangster, bro.
Yeah, it's heavy,
still
bro.
Gangster, bro. Fucking hell, what you know what I'm saying? Getting active for that, yeah? Yeah, man, that's the plan. Fucking getting active, yo. A little tear up, man. A little tear up. Go, it's been a minute, man. Yeah, mate. So what is it? An M3 what? An M3 build, yeah? Yeah, man. Gangster. 520 brake, yeah. You know what that means? Whoever the driver is has to give you a little pull on this, you know. Have to give you a little pull on this. This is nice, man. I was just saying, yeah, in my video, yeah, when you show me the video, I love the stance of it, bro. It looks sick, bro. Yeah, bro. Like it, man. I like it. How long you had the car for?
They didn't do the M3 in this year, innit?
I know. I was just saying in my video.
All the arches are all welded, everything's
yeah,
welded.
gangster. Sick. Are they standard alloys?
No.
Yeah, I like it, man. I like it. So what's this? What's the stage 2?
No,
stage 3. Oh, is it stock?
Yeah,
520.
Yeah.
You're
It's
taking
got a big
it.
turbo on it and two intakes, bro.
Oh. Yeah, this is like a monster, this, you know, bro. This is like a monster, this, you know, bro. Yeah. Nah, it's only right. You're going to give me a little pull on this, you know. Mental. Yeah, look at the kids, yo. Fucking hell, yo. Yo, that's funny, mate. Gangster. Yeah, man. I told you, man. I told you. Active with the videos this year, people. You know what I mean? No days off. What are we saying, lads? We good, yeah? Yeah, standard. What you saying, George? Fresh. Yeah, man. And this nasty little beast, yo. Yeah, the boys. What we say? What we say, yeah? Fresh. Yeah, man. Look at that. Silly, bro. Silly. mean, little night riders, yo. That night, shit. I mean, we're not but. Jokers, yo, bro. Jokers. What's the crack? What's the story? Fucking hell, yo, man just gave. Bro, I am the worst person, yo, when it comes to directions, yeah. Listen, when I take you on my next drive out, people, I may be the one to organize it, but fucking hell, yo, I would disappoint all of yous, mate, because fucking hell, mate. Wrong direction once again. I want to gap it, you know, but yo, I can't gap it, yo, because yo, it's gapping me, mate. Nasty, mate. Nasty. Okay, tits. Bumper. Look at the bumper. Oh, man. Fucking hell, mate. Yeah, gangster. 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 Yeah, man. So, yo, look at you. Them all down there, you know, people. What am I doing, yo? Seatbelt first. I am nasty, mate. Nasty, bro. Don't piss me off, yo. People. Oh my god. That sounds beautiful. Yeah, I want my car sounding like that, man.
Three days later.
Fucking hell, yo. Yeah, I silly that road. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, say no more, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yo, that is nasty, mate. that is nasty, that, bro. Yeah, that is gangster, bro. Yeah. Fucking hell, mate, I can't get tired of that, you know. Wow. Mental.
Straight off that road and fucking straight.
Swear down.
Took out. Yeah, took out, bro. Doing a fucking Thai festival.
Where's the seatbelt on this, yo? What the fuck, yo?
Belts are not up high.
Oh, there's no belt in the middle, is there?
No.
Ah, shit. Where's the... Alright, cool. Yo, we're good. Shit.
You have to use your legs to stabilise.
Serious, bro?
12 seconds later.
Yeah, man. Wow. Mental, mate. Nah, mate. Wow. Just did a little rev up contest, yeah. Guess where I came? Woo! Fucking hell. Almost crashed. Yo, mental. Yeah, go on. Bro, I almost crashed into you, bro. Rapid. That's rapid. Rapid, yo. Oh my days. Look at that. Wow. Listen, that's rear wheel drive. When that sticks to the ground, that is gone. Bear in mind, yeah, it's a bit icy around here, so he's not putting it full throttle properly, people. So, yo, I'm telling you, that whip there is an animal, man. 520 brake. Fucking hell, that's some people might not find that fast. Bear in mind, people, I've got a 310 brake car. That's quick. That's quick. So we live in a day. We live in an era where even the 700 brake is not even fast. You know what I mean? It's mental, man. It's mental, but that's quick, man. That's quick. People. Yeah, man. Who the fuck's bailing me out, yo? Oh, myself. Brother, I'll shout you in a minute, bro. Yo, listen. Just about to head off now, yeah? Ah, shit. My bad, bro. Yo, check, yeah. It's about to head back to Manny now, yeah? Obviously, yo, it's gonna get gridlocked now. At this point, this ain't for the camera. So, obviously, yo, if you man enjoyed that video, yeah, you know what to do. Likes, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna get that, like I said, that M3, I'm gonna get that featured. Hopefully, it might be in the next video. But yeah, man, because the rest of the video, I can't really do too much right now. Like I said, it's just not for YouTube, innit? So obviously, yeah, man, we're gonna get active. But yeah, while we get active, you lot, yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibe. Apple 2 Echo S3 AB.